Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet barefoot sandal, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use BBC cream yarn and hook number 3mm and markers as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring, then make 4 chains, and make 4 triple crochet stitches inside that magic ring as shown now. Then make 4 chains, that is the 4th triple crochet stitch, and make 4 chains as shown now, and make another 5 triple crochet stitches inside that magic ring, and repeat that another time. I will repeat 4 chains again and 5 triple crochet stitches again. To make 3 corners for the barefoot sandal. That is second time. I finished 5 triple crochet stitches with the chip. Then put the first marker here and continue making 4 chains again and make 5 triple crochet stitches inside the ring. Then make 4 chains and close with slip stitch. Now I put the second marker. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 2. I will make a chain, then make single crochet stitch into the same stitch and make 3 chains and repeat that 4 times. Single crochet stitch here to the second stitch and make another 3 chains again, then make single crochet stitch again to have that 4 times. With the shape. Then make 3 chains and make single crochet stitch again, with that to make that 4 spaces. then make 2 chains and make single crochet into the space, the next space. Then make 5 chains again and close with slip stitch to make a picot stitch as shown now. Then make 2 chains and make single crochet stitch into the end. Here I made 2 chains, then make single crochet above next stitch here with that shape. I made that picot stitch. Then repeat with the same sequence for the next 2 sides as shown now. Now I finished 3 sides, 3 corners with the shape and close with slip stitch to finish that round. Then I will start round 3. I will make slip stitch into the first chain of that 3 chains from the previous row. Then make a chain and make single crochet here into the second stitch. Then make 3 chains and make single crochet into second chain of next 3 chains from the previous row. Then make 3 chains again and make single crochet into second chain of 3 and repeat that another time, 3 chains, then make single crochet into second chain of 3. Then make 4 chains and make single crochet into the next picot stitch as shown now. Then make 4 chains again and make single crochet into second chain of 3 here and make 3 chains again and second crochet second crochet into the next chain of 3 and repeat with the same sequence across the row and close with slip stitch. Then start round 4. I will make slip stitch into the first chain of 3 and make a chain and make single crochet into second chain of 3 here. Then make a chain and make single crochet into first chain of 3 as shown now and repeat making 3 chains, then single crochet again and 3 chains and single crochet again as shown now with that shape. Then make 7 chains and make single crochet into the next picot here. Then make 5 chains and close with slip stitch as shown now to make a picot stitch. Then make 7 chains again and make single crochet into the second chain of 3 and repeat with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Then start round 5. I will make a chain and make single crochet into second chain of 3, then make 5 chains and close with slip stitch into the second chain of 5 here to make a picot stitch, then make a chain and make single crochet into the second chain of 3, then make 6 chain and make single crochet into the fourth chain of 6 as shown now, slip stitch to make a picot stitch, then make 2 chains and make single crochet into the fourth chain of 7 chains as shown now, and make 6 chain again, then close with slip stitch into the fourth chain to make a picot stitch, then make 2 chains again and make single crochet into the next picot stitch, then make 7 chains and close with single crochet to make picot stitch as shown now, here, with the shape, then repeat with the same sequence across the row and cut our yarn, then fasten off. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make the cord to tie the barefoot sandal around the toe. I will make 30 chains and join them with single crochet into the space of 7 chains as shown now. Then join the second part with single crochet into the same space. Then cut our yarn and fasten off. Then make another 2 cords to tie the barefoot sandal around the leg with that shape. Now I finished that barefoot sandal and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.